All right, guys, the green Texas and the parrotfish are laying eggs, and he is fertilizing them. Check it out. How cool is this? You can see his tube is dropped and her tube is really dropped, as you can see there in the picture. So this is round 2 for them. It's been about 3 weeks since she laid and ate the babies. So we're gonna try, after today when she's done laying, we're gonna try actually pulling her out and just keeping the male in there, because she's the one that's been eating the eggs. So we're gonna try doing that and see what happens here. But how cool is this to catch it on video? Something you don't get to see every day. They've been doing this for probably the past hour. This whole spot is just covered in eggs. See if we can zoom in. Yeah, you see them all there? There's probably a couple hundred eggs, I would have to say. This camera is awesome. Whoa, close up. Look at her go. All right, guys, so we'll give you an update and hopefully we see something going on with these guys.